Good morning friends. Today we are going to learn plant tissues, meristem, simple tissues and complex tissues. Meristematic tissues localize regional of cell division. Apical meristem, primary or transitional meristem, primary growth which gives rise to the primary growth of plant. Protoderm gives rise to the epidermis. Ground meristem gives rise to the ground tissues. Procambium gives rise to 1 degree vascular tissue. Lateral meristem, vascular cambium gives rise to 2 degree vascular tissues. Cork cambium or phelogen which gives rise to peridome. Intercalary meristem found in nodes of grasses. Cell division, mitosis, a nuclear division plus cytokinesis, that is cytoplasmic division. This is interphase, this is prophase, this is metaphase, this is anaphase, this is the telophase, and this is the cytokinesis. Shoot apical meristem, the diagram showing the shoot apical meristem. This is the apical meristem, these are the leaf primordia, and this is the procambium, and this is the procambium. Root apical meristem, root cap initial, protoderm, ground meristem, procambium, and root cap. This is the root cap initials, and this is the protoderm. These are the ground meristem. This is the procambium, and this is the root cap. Lateral meristems, secondary growth in woody plants. This is the lateral meristem which produces the secondary growth in woody plants. In cross section, the first year old stem, second year old stem, and the third year old stem in basswood. Now the simple tissues consisting of one cell type, parenchyma. These are thin-walled and alive at maturity, often multifaceted. Collenchyma, thick-walled and alive at maturity. Sclerenchyma, thick-walled and dead at maturity. Sclerids or stone cells, cells as long as they are wide. Fibers, cells longer than they are wide. Epidermis, alive at maturity. Trichomes, pubescence or hairs on the epidermis. Root hairs, tubular extensions of epidermal cells. These are the parenchyma, the thin-walled and alive at maturity. This is the collenchyma, thick-walled and alive at maturity. These are the sclerenchyma containing sclerids and fibers. Sclerids are called as stone cells, cells as long as they are wide. These are the fibers, cells longer than they are wide. So these are the epidermis which containing the stoma, trichomes and root hairs. This is the stomata, these are the root hairs. Complex tissues, xylem, water conducting tissue, parenchyma, fibers, vessels, and or tracheids and ray cells. Phloem, food conducting tissues, sieve tubes, members, companion cells, fibers, parenchyma, and ray cells. In flowering plants, sieve tubes, members, and companion cells arise from the same mother cells. Peridome, protecting covering, composed of cork and parenchyma. Secretory structures, responsible for making latex, resins, nectar, and other substances produced and stored in channels inside the plant body. So this is the xylem and the components of the xylems. These are the tracheids, these are the vessels, and these are the border pits. This is the components of phloem. These are the sieve plates, and these are the companion cell, vascular bundles with xylem and phloem. In case of maize, veins in cross section showing the vascular bundle. Alfalfa in cross section showing the vascular bundles with xylem and phloem. Pyridum, cork and parenchyma. This is the pyridum and the development of the cork with parenchyma. Secretory structures, nectar in case of flowers from nectaries, oils, peanuts, oranges, citrus from accumulation of glands and eleoplast. Resins in case of conifers from the resin canals. Lacticiferous, example latex, milkweed, rubber plants, opium poppy. Hydathodes, opening for secretion of water. Digestive glands of carnivorous plants, enzymes. Salt glands that shed salt, especially in plants adapted to the environments laden with salt. Thank you.